Now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning. We have a dense fog advisory in effect until 10 o'clock this morning for areas along into the south and east of I-44. This is where we've got visibility really dropping, and it's hard to see on the roads this morning. So things to remember when we have a dense fog advisory, you want to take it slow, use those low beam lights or at least the headlights, because that's how others can see you. I'm telling you, it's really hard to see out there this morning. You want to leave space between you and the car in front of you as well, just for extra safety, because again, it's hard to see all that too far in front of you. So here's what it looks like in Branson this morning. We've got this fog here down on the landing. It's 45 degrees. We've got this visibility dropping again across much of the area, down to a quarter mile in Branson, 2 miles in Springfield, a half a mile in Rolla, Fort Leonard Wood, and very low visibility in West Plains. A couple of clouds out there this morning. Once the fog clears, we're going to keep mostly cloudy skies this afternoon. That's because we've got this strong low pressure center and associated warm front and cold front that's going to push towards the Ozarks here as we head through the late afternoon, evening, and then into the overnight. So here we go. We've got this a strong system that's going to approach. I think we spend most of the afternoon dry. Will be mostly cloudy, maybe a couple of showers by the evening commute, but we'll really see these storms increase after 7 o'clock. We'll see these storms across the Ozarks as this warm front gets into northern Arkansas. We keep these storms on the overnight. They clear by tomorrow morning, but we could wrap around some clouds, and we'll also wrap around very gusty winds Saturday afternoon. With this system, it's tapping into wind energy. It's tapping into a little bit of instability or that fuel for storms. So we do have a severe risk in the orange. That's the enhanced risk. That's where more numerous, stronger storms will be. We're on the northern fringe where all these ingredients kind of come together. So we're looking at, again, as this warm front gets to the Missouri-Arkansas border, that's where we could see a couple of strong storms develop by this evening and then into the overnight. So the threat for us mainly from Joplin to West Plains and then south and south of there. We've got this marginal risk in the green for Branson and then the slight risk down towards Bentonville and Fayetteville. Isolated severe storms will be possible there through the evening and overnight. It is still a low-end threat for us here because of the time of year, really. But we've got damaging winds and large hail possible as we head through the evening and overnight. Hour by hour, we keep things mostly dry through the afternoon here today. Temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s. After dismissals, when a couple of showers will be possible, and then after 7 is where we'll have that line of storms move through. Some locally heavy rain possible in some of those reds, again, plus that damaging winds and large hail threat. The storms lift to the north and east by tomorrow morning. We'll have a couple of clouds linger through by tomorrow afternoon and a gusty southwest wind as well. Well, things will be pretty windy there on Saturday. Again, to recap what to expect, these showers and storms pretty much after 5 o'clock and then through the overnight. Isolated severe storms possible with that wind hail threat. Storms exit by Saturday morning, and then non-thunderstorm wind gusts on Saturday still look like 30 to 40 miles per hour here area wide. So it will be a windy day, and some gusty winds will linger through Sunday as well. 60 degrees today, breezy and warm with those storms rolling through late. 52 overnight, showers, storms, and still pretty warm. 59 tomorrow, will clear out the skies. Things stay windy, gusts 35 miles per hour through the afternoon. We stay breezy on Sunday, temperatures cooler in the 40s.